Hey, it's Peter Beatty here, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it can be for you to create high converting email campaigns for local businesses to help them tap into the hidden revenue that's locked up within their customer email list. Every local business has an email list, whether they know it or not. In fact, most of them don't even know it, and they think they need to run paid advertising to increase their sales. Well, if you can send offers to that email list, you're going to have the closest thing that you can get to your own personal ATM machine if your emails convert. And I'm going to show you how to create emails that convert here in this video with PeteBot. All right. So here I am on PeteBot.ai, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter the name of the local business that I want to generate some sales for. Now I've picked this local restaurant here for this demo, Gorham House of Pizza. It's a small local restaurant, so I'm just going to type their name here. This is the most work I'll have to do. Gorham House of Pizza. I'm going to click Next Step, and then I'm going to paste in their website URL so that PeteBot can go visit their website, read through all the content and determine how we're going to promote this business and what we're going to promote, etc. And this box here, I can enter additional information that I want PeteBot to factor in when he's creating the campaign. Like if we're coming up on Thanksgiving or Black Friday or Christmas and you want the sale to be about, Black Friday, then you can actually put that information in here so that PeteBot will write the campaign based on that information. Otherwise, if you don't put anything in here, he's just going to go ahead and take creative license and make all the decisions for you. But what I'm actually going to do for this demo is I'm going to go to the About page of this website, and there's some good information here that I want to copy into PeteBot and give to him so he has as much information as he can get about their business. So I'm going to click Build Campaign, and now PeteBot is going to work, again, reading their website, determining, what product are we going to promote? What's the discount going to be? What have people been talking about in their reviews? Who's the owner of this business? All the stuff that, a regular copywriter would need to know when writing a campaign. This would normally take me hours. He does it in a few seconds, as you just saw right there. So he comes back and he says, the name of the business owner is Angelo Satropoulos. I can't pronounce that. Sorry. Gorham House of Pizza is the name of the business. Here's their phone number. Here's their top 5, products and the benefits that come with them and the story about their business. Here's some customer reviews. Again, this is all, think of these as building blocks for writing a campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and click approve on that business information there because it looks accurate. Again, you can think of this as research. If you were to hire a real copywriter, the first thing that they would do is research on the business. And that's what PeteBot's doing here. So now he just went ahead and designed the promotion. He thinks we should run a 10% off sale. And the bonus that we should give to customers is a free drink with any pizza order. Okay. And let's see here. The reason the business is having the sale to celebrate over 30 years of serving the Gorham community, and it's to express gratitude for their loyalty to the community. The name of the sale is Gorham's Gratitude Gala. And you've got the end date of the sale. Again, so PeteBot has just gone and done, hours worth of research and designed the backbone of this campaign for us. So if that looks okay, again, you can customize this if you want, if you don't like something. But I'm just going to click Approve Campaign Asset. And now PeteBot is going to go to work, and he's going to be writing email number 1 of this 7-part email campaign. So the way that we structure these email campaigns, it's just like a product launch, right? They run from Monday to Friday for these local businesses. And email number 1, this one here, is sent out on Monday. It's basically announcing the sale to customers and giving them a call to action to go ahead and buy, okay? I'm going to click approve on this because it looks pretty good. And then on Tuesday, another email is sent out saying, hey, did you hear about our sale? If you haven't taken action on this yet, right, click here to order now. So that's sent out on Tuesday, and that's this email here. So this is Tuesday's email, just done like that in a matter of seconds. I'm just going to click approve because this is a demo and I'm trying to do this quickly for you. But if I didn't like something, I would easily tell PeteBot to change something. And then on Wednesday, another email's gone out. Hey, have you heard the big news? Have you been living under a rock? Have you heard about our sale? Why haven't you taken advantage of this yet, right? Time is running out. Click here to buy now. So that's email number 3 sent out on Wednesday. That's that email there. And I'm going to go ahead and improve that one. And then the next email is sent out on Thursday. And guess what that email says? Hey, this sale ends tomorrow. You better act fast because you're going to miss out on these awesome discounts. So that's what this email is all about here, really driving up urgency, why people need to take action right now. So that's email number 4. And then on the last day of the sale, Friday, we send 3 emails for the local business. So email number 5 is going to go out in the morning. It's going to say, hey, our sale's ending today. Your discount is expiring today. Make sure you click this email to take action now because this is ending tonight. All right, so that's email number 5. And then email number 6 is, hey, you're really cutting it close here. Our sale is ending in just a few hours. Here's what you're going to miss out on if you don't buy during the sale, right? So that's what this email is about here. And then the final email number 7, is sent out on Friday at around 8 p.m. at night. And it's just a last call email that says, hey, this is our last email. We're letting you know we're shutting this sale down. This is your last chance to buy, or you're going to have to buy at the normal price tomorrow. So this email, we notice we get a lot of sales coming in at the last minute because people are procrastinators. And so that's the 7-part email campaign that PeteBot creates for whatever local business that you want. And I'm just going to go ahead and minimize these by doing this. And this campaign, this is a complete email campaign ready to copy and paste into the local business's autoresponder and click send. And if your client doesn't have an autoresponder, in my step-by-step training that I'm including with PeteBot, I'm going to show you not only how to get clients, right? Even if you're a complete newbie starting from scratch without doing cold calls or anything like that, I'm going to show you how to get clients, but I'm also going to show you how to send these emails out to the local business's email list, even if they don't have an autoresponder. So this will work for any local business. So that's how to use PeteBot. It's really, really simple, and you can create an entire campaign that's pretty much guaranteed to convert in a matter of minutes. And as far as sending these out again and turning this into a very profitable AI copybot agency, I'm going to show you how to do that in my training program. I'm going to be walking you step by step how to get your first few paying clients, how to use PeteBot to create their emails just like this, what to do with the emails once PeteBot creates them for you, how to send them out for the local business, and how to really scale this up into an agency that's doing $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month. And even I'm going to show you how you can sell this business to an investor or a competitor after running it for about a year or so and cash out for a big payday. So that's PeteBot.ai, a really quick little introductory video. I hope you enjoyed this. This is Peter Beatty. Somewhere on this page, you should have information that you can check out about PeteBot. Read this page in full, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Talk to you soon.